Hey guys, it's Camille here. We often come across seamless transition effects like this in vlogs, but most of these effects require you to buy additional plugins. That's exactly why we made this tutorial. We're gonna share with you how to use a free video editor called VideoProc Vlogger to create a seamless transition effect in easy steps. Moreover, we'll explain the logic behind. If you're into this topic, then keep on watching. To make a seamless transition effect like this, we got to know what's happening under the hood. So check it out. If we slow down the sample footage and pay close attention, we'll notice that during the transition, the first video clip rapidly shrinks at the end, and the second video clip does the same at the beginning. It's like a fake dolly effect. If we directly add motion effects to the connecting parts of these two clips for creating a fake dolly effect, we can see that although clip A becomes smaller at its end point, there are annoying black borders around it. That's where dynamic collage comes into play. Dynamic collage means expanding the image in 8 different directions. We add mirrored images on the left and right sides, on top and the bottom, and in all 4 corners. It's like completing the picture by filling the missing parts. Once we've got the hang of the principle, making it happen is a piece of cake. Let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you didn't download it, you can download it for free from the link listed in the description box. Import the 2 video clips into VideoProc Vlogger. Add both of them to the main track. Drag the playhead to the end of the clip A and save a snapshot of the current frame. Then import the snapshot image into VideoProc Vlogger and add it on the overlay track. Next, we click here to draw 2 lines that intersect smack in the middle of the canvas. Now we move the playhead forward a little bit. Copy the original clip and paste it over here. Move this clip to the right side of the original clip and make them sync together perfectly. Next, find a transform in the inspector panel. Click a horizontal flip. Make a fresh copy of this newly flipped clip. Paste it over here. Then drag it to the left side of the original clip. Next, let's add another copy of the original clip right here. Now let's head over to the preview window and move this clip upward. This time, choose vertical flip. Similarly, paste another copy of the original clip right here. And in the preview window, let's reposition it to the bottom part. Let's keep editing the last 4 corners. Just paste the copy of the original clip. Then reposition the pasted clip into the corner areas. Select a horizontal flip. Let's repeat these steps 3 times. Alright, we just made the dynamic collage effect. Click on this button to take a snapshot of this frame. Now we go back to these 2 clips. Let's add the snapshot image in between these 2 clips. Shorten the duration of the snapshot image and make it last for 5 to 6 frames. Click on Motion. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Add another keyframe at the ending point. Adjust the size and change the speed mode to Smooth Speed Up 2. Next, add a motion effect to the second clip. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Add another keyframe at around the 10th frames. Let's change the speed mode to Smooth Speed Down 1. Alright, we just made the seamless transition effect. Let's play it back and see the result. It looks good. Well, this is all for today's video. Feel free to visit our homepage to explore more useful editing tutorials. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!